At SpeakWrite, we have a ton of features at your disposal to save you time and money. From spending caps for your team to address books to document templates, each are strategically made to assist you on your transcription journey. Today, we will discuss audio trimming. Let's say you have a conversation or an interview with a witness, and the first 2 minutes of audio is just not important. Everyone is getting comfortable in the room, and the time is just not important in the conversation or to the case. You can simply omit and trim those first 2 minutes of your audio file, saving you money and our transcriptionist time. Let me show you how it's done. Head into your member dashboard, click Submit Job, and select your audio file. Check if this is a single speaker or multi-speaker job, and then under Customize Job, you'll see a toggle for audio trimming. Check that and the start time and end time selections will appear. As I mentioned before, let's say you have an interview and the important conversation did not begin until the 2-minute mark and ended at the 37-minute and 30-second mark. You will simply select 2 minutes on the start time and 37:30 on the end time. Click Submit and you're done. Your document will be perfectly formatted and delivered back to you within 3 hours. Reminder that audio trimming is available only in the desktop dashboard and is currently not available inside of the SpeakWrite app. There are many other features and tools at your disposal here at SpeakWrite, and we're here to answer any questions you may have on your transcription journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more updates on how SpeakWrite can save you time and money. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Make it easy. Make it SpeakWrite.